keeps up and has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milton to near Como, moving north at 40 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Hail.
Impact, expects damage to roofs,
Never heard
siding,
that.
and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Jefferson, Lake Geneva, Muckwinego, Lake Mills, Milton, East Troy, Wales. North Prairie, Palmyra, Lake Ripley, Como, Potter Lake, and Lake Koshkonong. This includes the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio, QCG 57.
Whoa, okay, that really got me hyped up.
To occur in our listening